Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you all? Thank you. Today, I'm going to start talking about syllable. Syllable, and this is Lecture-3 of Basic Grammar and Communication English course. Syllable meaning শব্দাংশ, শব্দের অংশ. That is part of word. So, what is syllable? Can you give the definition of syllable? Syllable is that part of a word that can be pronounced in a single beat or rhythm or rhyme or step or way. Syllable শব্দের সেই অংশ যা একভাবে উচ্চারণ করা যায়. Why syllable is important? Can you anybody tell something about the importance of syllable? Why you should learn it? Syllable is very important to pronounce word. Pronounce meaning the verb form of pronunciation. উচ্চারণের English is pronunciation and pronounce হচ্ছে উচ্চারণের verb. আর যে কোনো word উচ্চারণ করতে আমাদের syllable জানা দরকার. Because a large word or big word is difficult to pronounce after you are not being able to divide them into syllables. So, for learning pronunciation of words, we should learn syllable. How many kinds of syllables are there in English? English syllable কয় প্রকার? 4. So there are 4 types of syllables in English. What are they? Number 1, mono-syllabic. Number 2, di-syllabic. Number 3, tri-syllabic. And number 4, polysyllabic. 1, 2, 3, and more than 3. Okay? So the words which have only one syllable are called mono-syllabic words, like book, pen, hand, fan, stop, come, go, walk. Most of the small words as well as prepositions are usually mono-syllabic words. That's it. The words which have 2 syllables are called di-syllabic words, like beauty, father, mother, Wi-Fi, bird, book, many, water, etc. Now, tri-syllable, the words which have 3 syllables are called tri-syllabic words, like beautiful, uniform, umbrella, diarrhea, butterfly, vitamins, etc. Now, last, polysyllable or polysyllabic words. The words which have more than 3 syllables are called polysyllabic words, like pronunciation, definition, university, consciousness, contemporaneousness. The largest number of syllables are counted in the following 3 words, like proximity, heliotrification, confabulation, superlation, homework, di-pentanol, pentanol di-par, hybrid, philanthropic, etc. So you should learn syllables because you will have to pronounce so many big words where there are more than 4 syllables. Without learning dividing syllables, it will not be possible to pronounce them easily. One question I would like to give you solution according to the previous question bank. The question was like polysyllable means. মানে polysyllable কথাটির অর্থ কি? এই প্রশ্নটার মাল্টিপল চয়েসে 5টা অপশন দেওয়া আছে এরকম: A 3, B 4, C many, D more than 3, D more than 4, E more than 3, or F all of A to D. How many of these 5 alternative answers for them, these are called, these chapters are correct? So if correct, you should write D for 2, and if false, you should write F. So A3, it is F because poly meaning more than 3. P4, of course no, because B, four is more than 3. C, many. Many meaning also more than 3. And more than 4, of course, polysyllable, more than 3 also polysyllable. All of A to this will not be true because there is one question false. So it is also false. I think you can understand in short what is syllable. I will give total descriptions in our this lecture video inbox, and I think you will understand everything clearly. Thank you.